Saan tayo pupunta, Well? Hello, guys. This is my friend, Shem. Wait lang, para. Wait lang. There, in the sky. Waiting for you in the heaven. Okay. Don't look at my shirt. I don't have any shirt. I look like 7 years old, but 5 years old, yeah. I'm not that small.
Kaya mo tayo, me. Uy, nangagaw to si ano. Yun ka. Ngayon pa ako,
Cool.
Bahala ka dyan, ha.
What bro's doing? Let's see what's bro doing. Ano ginagawa mo, broski? Bro, I don't know what bro's doing with that my bike.
Dyan ka lang.
I don't think about you.
Ay, me, kaya mo to.
Yeah, sometimes it happens.
Hindi na yung me sa paa. Kaya mo to, ha. Kaya mo tayo, me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Papunta doon sa amin.
Yeah, this actually scumbag. I'm sorry, guys. Bro, this guy! I don't know about that. Yung ginawa mo ni Samuel, tinuruan ko siya, hindi siya talaga siya marunong ng tricks na yun. Tara, walawin na tayo. Ay, upload ko lang ito. I just excuse. I'm going back to home because I will sorry, I will have understood. Bo, that's not cool. I think about it. Ano? Bako.
Human fall plan. I'm so excited. So, tara, mag-customize muna tayo ng ano, para